Hey guys, Jeffrey ran up the hill. Was that you in that white car that came down?
Yeah.
You rode in the Mercedes?
Oh, no.
Oh, never mind.
Slowly.
We're here. We're looking at the floods. The floods are crazy. Oh, there's more over there. That's oh, we can't say what creeks it is because the middle track right.
You want smoke, I got it. You looking as short as a hobbit. I punch it, I break it, I run it, I rob it. The trucks are coming, there's no way to stop it. Hey.
It's gone down a lot. Here's the first spur of water. Whoa, that's a little bit deeper than I thought it was. A little bit muddy. Trail's kind of muddy. Jeffrey's wearing nice shoes, so he's like jumping around. Ooh, that's a little bit deeper than I thought it was. There's that field. We were just up there on top of that hill. Here's a deeper one. Oh, not deep.
Ah, shoot. Hi.
You still there?
Pretend like nothing.
Dude, get out of the water. Get out of the water.
Just walk.
Are you?
No, I'm not okay.
No, but are you bleeding? That's my one question.
Probably somewhere. Oh.
Yeah, that's his barbed wire. And he just full blown grab it. Dude, you look like you grabbed your pants. Oh no, it's not. This is gonna make it. Here's the first part here. Real muddy. Jeffrey fell right over there where that girl's walking over there. It's a little bit muddy. We got teepees here. Here's more. It flooded way up here, and this is not. It's lowering. You can see it was all the way up there. This has been crazy, man. Look at this. Look at this dirt. Of course, I got the Muck Boot Masters on, and dude, we gotta replay that falling. We have to replay that right now. Just replay it right here.
Hi.
You still there?
Pretend like nothing.
Yeah, what? That was funny.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we just replayed the clip. Oh man, dude, look at this mud.
Wait, I thought you didn't get it on a video.
No, we did.
Oh, we did?
Somewhat. Dude, look at this mud.
Oh, this is weird. Okay,
Awesome.
I don't have any shoes to wear in the gym tonight. So.
Okay, well I do have some shoes.
I do have basketball shoes. I'll use.
Oh, sweet. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, dude, look at this. We're up here. What is this? A hay bale? No, I know this is just straw getting rolled in the water from going so fast. Look at all these pebbles. All from the river. Dude, it was going so fast it took pebbles all the way here. Dude, this is crazy. Look at this one here. We're gonna walk through here now. Oh my. Dude, this stuff is sick. Luckily, muck boots are waterproof.
Oh, that's deep.
Run, hurry. Shoot! Get your sock out of there.
What's becoming of my life? Help.
Don't make me drop my phone. I got that video.
What's becoming of my life?
Dude, but yesterday this is how I was, like literally. The muck boot life, brand new muck boots. Look at this, guys. Huge Russian River. Dude, look at it, just rolled away this ground and left concrete. It's a huge Russian River.
Huge river.
It's the Russian River. Hey, bud. Hey, comment down below if you want me to give away his name. This is gonna be a mystery. Where's Jeffrey? Dude, got the new muck boot life. Oh, dude.
I'll let you sink to the hill first. Don't splatter me. I'm a flash coat.
Dude, look how crazy this river is. It's crazy.
Dude,
he tried walking on water and he just went flying through there. Like a rabbit running through with its tail chopped off, you know, chasing those beans. Jeff, get out of the mud, man. Now this is how real mans do it. Oh, dude, what's that? Dude, what is that?
Moonshine.
Actually.
We should throw it, yeah. Wash your hand now.
Yeah.
Don't stomp it, otherwise you'll be... Yeah.
Guys, look at this river. This river normally does not come clear up here. Normally it's like right there and right there. It's only like that long. Go.
Oh, that's lame.
Oh! Dude, that's deep drop off right there. What I'm doing right now. Go check out Jeffrey's channel real quick. It'll be linked down below in the description. I'm gonna have to be helped with that by Jeffrey because I don't know how to do that. And my Instagrams will be down there. So will Jeffrey's Instagrams will be. And put down what you think Mystery Man's name is, and try to make him say what his name is.